In 2013, China set up its first pilot free trade zone in Shanghai, a testbed of new opening up policies. After rounds of expansion, China now has 21 such zones and the Hainan Free Trade Port. They have played a crucial role in attracting foreign investment and stabilizing foreign trade. In 2022, the 21 FTZ saw exports and imports rise 14.5% year-on-year to 7.5 trillion yuan, accounting for 17.8% of the country's total. The utilized foreign investment in FTZs exceeded 220 billion yuan, making up 18.1% of the total. Behind the booming development of FTZs are the great efforts that governments of all levels in China have made to boost institutional innovation.
I think the major improvements has been over the last, I would say, 10 years, no, with the reform, the regulatory reform, so that, again, products could be approved faster. That's one. Of course, also around the foreign investment law, which is opening up China, which of course for us makes it more conducive, the environment to really invest.
把扩大开放同改革体制结合起来，把培育功能同政策创新结合起来，大胆闯、大胆试、自主改，以制度创新为核心，不断加大开放力度。
In the past 10 years, 278 institutional innovations have been formulated in FTZs and then replicated nationwide. Thanks to the favorable business environment, market confidence is further enhanced.
China continues to be a very strategic market for Merck. It's our second most important market and one of the fastest growing. So we have a strong footprint in China that has developed very rapidly in recent years.
China is a fast-growing market and economy for us, so a lot of energy, a lot of talents. It gives me a lot of confidence for the future.
Standing at a new historical starting point, China's FTZ construction will usher in new opportunities and inject more vitality into the country's high-quality development.